It is a pleasant day in Toyland, and Noddy is enjoying a nice walk with his friend, Bumpy Dog.
Toys wave high, sun is in the sky. I'm so happy being here in Toyland. Sing with me, join my melody. Aren't you happy being here in Toyland? That's a nice song, isn't it, Bumpy Dog? I'm good at singing. Hey, that bird whistled my song. If I'm good at singing, maybe I'm good at whistling too. That's not very good, is it? There has to be a way that I can get good at whistling right now. I know! Let's go to Mr. Plod. Can I borrow your whistle, Mr. Plod? I want to be good at whistling.
Certainly, Noddy. Give it a try. Ah, lovely.
Does it play more than one note? Can it play songs?
No, Noddy. Not as such.
Thank you, but I need to find another whistle. And I think I know where to find one. Bye, Mr. Plod!
Goodbye, Noddy. Well, a one-note whistle is good enough for me.
The train has a whistle. Here it goes, Bumpy Dog. Ow! That's much too loud. Boy, I wish I could whistle just like you.
Oh, you want to whistle, huh? Well, we can help you sound just like that bird. Show him, Sly.
Ta-da! Magic crisscross cups!
How does it work?
Well, all you have to do is talk into this cup and get the bird to whistle into that cup. Then you will whistle just like that bird.
Wow!
All it will cost you is 5 coins. Have fun with your magic crisscross cups, Noddy. Oh, boy.
Let's try this out. Hello, bird.
I didn't realize until today how much I like the sound of my police whistle. Listen.
That is a nice sound. Listen to this.
That was fun. Let's see how they sound at the same time.
There's something odd going on here.
Now, give it here, Bumpy Dog. Halt in the name of Plod!
Good morning, Noddy. You think you feel bad? I have your voice, and none of my bird friends can understand a word I say. Bumpy Dog took it. We'd better find him if we want our own voices back. You're right. Who knows what kind of trouble Bumpy Dog could get into with those cups?
No jumping, Bumpy Dog. Good. You are finally learning some manners. What's that you have in your mouth? What can this be?
There are the magic crisscross cups, Noddy. Let's see if we can swap our voices back. I hope this works. Hey, I have my voice back. Well, Bird, it looks like we solved our problem.
Hi there, Noddy. Do you have any food for me? Any toys? Wanna play? Huh? Yeah, let's play.
If Bumpy Dog has Miss Pink Cat's voice, that must mean... Oh no! Bumpy Dog has really done it this time.
That's not all Bumpy Dog has done.
Halt in the name of blood!
A challenge. I like it.
The sounds are all wrong.
Bumpy Dog spent the whole afternoon running around switching sounds.
Sounds are mixed up all over Toy Town.
I didn't mean to. I just wanted to play.
Have everyone and everything with crisscross sounds come to the town square. I can put everything back to normal. We need to find out where each sound belongs. We've already switched back Miss Pink Cat's voice and Bumpy Dog's bark.
And not a moment too soon. My beautiful voice was never meant to be stuck in a dog's throat.
Does my voice sound funny?
Boy, it sure does. Was that me? It sounds like Master Tubby Bear has your voice, Martha Monkey, and you have his. Don't worry, just talk into these cups and your voices will switch back. That doesn't sound like a Skittle falling down. It sounds more like a ball. Your wobbles sound like either Clockwork Clown or Clockwork Mouse, Mr. Wobbly Man. Let's listen. Aha! You switched sounds with Clockwork Clown. Oh no! You sound like a cow. Is there a cow out there?
Make way, everyone!
Hello, Noddy.
Don't worry, Big Ears. I can switch your voice back. This doesn't sound like an elephant call. Somebody better get the fire truck. Boy, am I tired. What time is it?
Let's check the town clock.
How did you manage to crisscross those sounds? Oh well, I'd better switch them back. I'm glad these are the last crisscrossed sounds.
Yes, I would like a bowl of your best bird seeds, please.
And I would like a nice plate of worms.